Hello out there, and welcome to Mary's Creative Decor. For today's project, we're going to try a painting. Now, I've seen different versions of this painting. It's like a water painting, and I'm going to be doing it with precious metal colors. So, before we start though, I did try this project before, and this is what I used. I used this acrylic glass. Now I used this because it had a watery look and I thought it would give my paint a watered down look so that it would flow. But it didn't work. So let me just show you how the painting turned out. So this is the first painting. I'm not a fan of it, but you guys be the judge. Let me know what you think. So this is how the first painting turned out. So I'm gonna try it one more time, and this is what I'm going to use this time. This is called Flood, and it is for latex and acrylic paints. And it's supposed to water down and make the paint flow. So we're gonna try this and see how this turns out this time. I have my first gray color, and it is by Folk Art. It is a light shimmery gray. I have mixed it with the Flood, and I also be using 3 types of glitter. I have a chunky resin glitter, I have a heavy or chunky glitter, and I also have some fine glitter. The second color I'll be using is a white pearl paint. And I'll be using a pearl glitter, fine glitter, to go with that. Next I have here gold metallic paint. And I'll be using a fine gold glitter and the resin chunky glitter. Next I have a black metallic pearl paint, and I have a bronze paint, and it's already been mixed with the Flood. I also have my hair dryer, and I'll be using the hair dryer to help the paint flow and move. So I'm just going to plug it in, and we're going to get started. I don't know where to start, but we're just going to take our first color and put it on the canvas. Next, I think I'll do the Carper. It really doesn't look Carper here, but it's darker, and we're going to put it right next to the cream or the seashell. And I'm not doing a straight line. I'm trying to do some variations in the way I lay it out on the canvas. Now I'm moving to the gold. Now I'll do the black pearl, and I'll do that on the other side of the gold. I should have added just a little bit more. The Flood is going on a little thicker, but that's okay. We'll use the hair dryer to move it along. Okay, it's looking pretty good. So now we're going to start the process all over. Let's go in with some more of the seashell. Now I'm just going to take this color and move it in another direction. Now again, I don't want it to be straight, so I'm just going to use it in various places on the canvas in different directions. is just a drop left, and I want to save that to lighten up. And now we're going to go back and we're going to use that gold again. And I'll be doing the same, putting it in various locations on the canvas. Now I want to come back with my black pearl. Now I don't want the lines on this to be as heavy because I don't want my painting too dark. And now I'll go back to the copper. Again, I won't use a lot of the copper because it's dark as well. And I'll use it by the lighter colors. Now I'm going to take my pearl paint once again, and I'm going to go in between all of these dark colors just to soften it a bit. And it looks like I have a lot of light colors here, so let's go back with the copper here on the end. Now let's take our blow dryer and start to move it around a bit. I'm really looking for this wavy movement. In hindsight, I probably should have added a little bit more flood to the paint, but we're going to make this work. Add a little bit more paint to fill in the spots that are void and to move the color around just a little bit more. Okay, I'm really not liking the gold, so I'm going to try something just a little bit different. I'm going to mix my metallic gold paint with a little bit of water and then try it. Yes, I think I'm liking this gold color a lot better than the other. Let me know what you guys think. Now, this is the color mixed with the water of gold. Let me know in the comment section, which color do you prefer? Do you prefer the cloudy gold color, or do you prefer this brighter color? And I'm just adding this brighter color to some of the spaces on the canvas that has no paint. Also, I'm using this bright gold color to break up some of the other colors, especially the light, where it's light areas and where the areas are too dark. Again, it's my taste, and when you're doing yours, you'll make it like you want it to be. So I'm going to grab my hair dryer once again. Now I'm grabbing that light gray again, and I'm moving it in between some of the gold and some of the darker colors. And that's just what I'll be doing until I get my desired look. I'm using the popsicle stick to drag some of the colors in so they won't be hard. I'm mixing them as best I can where the blow dryer is not moving it. Now I'm just going to take my popsicle stick and make sure that I drag those colors around the outside of my canvas. Some of it is running down the sides, but I just want to make sure that the entire side is covered with one of the colors in the painting. Once I've done that, now I'm ready to add my glitters. So if you're out there watching and you're interested in crafting, DIYs, painting, home decor, home remodeling, you're in the right place. Hey, I try it all. So if you want to get the courage, watch me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and see what I come up with next. Now here with my resin glitter, because it's a little heavier and a little chunkier, I'm going to use my fingers or my hands to spread it out because I kind of want it to be along some of the veining. I'm going to finish adding my resin glitter. I'm going to give my painting a chance to dry overnight and I'll come back for the reveal. So here's a closer look at my first painting. Now as you can see, the silvers really stand out, and because the paint was heavier, it gave the picture more texture. You can even see where the pewter is on the sides. I'm really starting to like it, actually a lot. And here's a look at the painting that we finished today. Now on this picture, the colors are really vibrant. The gold stands out. Even the gold glitter and the gold nuggets stand out on it. You can see where the dryer kind of spread it out the color. The pewter is there, which looks more like a brown, but it's there. You can see the grays and you can see the creams. It's actually very pretty. Now this one looks more like waves, where the other one looks more like a winter storm. I don't know which one I like best now. And here is both the pictures together. Now guys, you're looking at them. You tell me which one you like. I really don't know. But if I had this to do over again, I would do two at the same time to give me that great look. I think they both are very beautiful. And if you guys are watching and you have enjoyed this video and its content, now is the time to hit that subscribe button. For the last time tonight, hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget the thumbs up. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.